Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Cody daily update. We are going to see long-term price prediction, so stay tuned throughout the video. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. Not only you will get an automated and a manual system with buying and selling opportunities to know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins, but you will also get random giveaways, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and of course market updates and many more benefits. Try it now. You can cancel anytime you like. You can also join our Telegram group chat, hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's proceed quickly into an unbiased technical analysis. Here you can see that I have drawn the Fibonacci extension starting from this bottom 2nd November around 2 cents, ending up to this top on Coti, ending up to this bottom on 9 cents. The reason I did that is because we wanted to find out major resistance levels. The first one was here. You can see that when we went upwards, we found a huge sell pressure on the 44 cents. Afterwards, on the weekly frame, the 54, and of course, the 66 cents, which was our one, you can see here, one Fibonacci extension. Next price target on the long term is the one Tether USD. Okay, so the next price target for the long term is the one Tether USD. So can we get there? Can we proceed into this? Let's draw another Fibonacci retracement right now from the bottom to the top, and we are finding some very strong resistance levels. You can see that the 1.786 is the one Tether USD as well. Okay, so around here, around this area is our next target for the long term. We have some more between 72 cents, 79.55, 86, and of course the 92 cents we have in between those targets. Okay, so we might be finding some sell pressure in those targets as well, but the real long-term price target is the one Tether USD from now on. All right, so the real question there is, okay, we can get there probably to one Tether USD. Can we get there soon? We will see and analyze a little bit the weekly frame. And what we want to do right now is to add the RSI, okay, the Relative Strength Index. And we want to see some important stuff right there. So you can see for the RSI, we have right here for Cody, the RSI above the 70. Okay, you can see that the line right here is above the 70. So therefore, we need to be extremely careful for Cody. Okay, because we have a very high risk. Therefore, we maybe stop a little bit below and then have a correction and then go upwards. But at the same time, you can see that we can get even higher. For example, right here on February and March, we went even higher on the RSI, but it doesn't mean that we will just go and get the same number on the RSI. Okay, so therefore, once we go above the 70, we should be careful. Okay, and maybe in the next few weeks we might be going a little bit higher. We might be even going to the 72 cents and then retracing a little bit till we get back to one Tether USD. Okay, let's go a little bit to Cody Bitcoin chart, because this is the main thing we should be seeing as well. Okay, on the Cody Bitcoin chart, you can see that now we are already in a little bit of an overbought situation as we are trying to close to make a new high for Cody Bitcoin chart. Okay, on the other hand, we have the RSI on the weekly frame in an extreme overbought situation. You can see the MACD here looks pretty good. We are keep making some higher lows, higher highs on the weekly frame. Very nice stuff right there, and we hope that we can continue. Even if we get a bearish cross, then we can go in and make another new high going into the Cody USDT chart, and of course going into the one Tether USD we have as our next price target for Cody. Okay, so we want to go there, we want to get there, and of course go even higher for Cody, and we can do it. We can go to the one Tether USD, but do not get greedy and do not believe that 10 Tether USD Cody will be here soon. I've always I want to talk to you based on what I see and not what you want to hear, okay, and to listen. So the 1 Tether USD is very, very possible on the long term. However, the 10 Tether USD is pretty far away for now, and you have to be careful when trading. If you want to go for the long term, it's the best solution right there. Go for the long term and just let your money rise around there, okay? 1 Tether USD is very, very possible price target, but 10 Tether USD is a little bit far away for now, okay? So let's go first to 1 Tether USD step by step, time by time, okay? Take it step by step. Do not hurry, do not be in a rush, so you can let your portfolio grow, for example, like 10x or so, okay? Yeah, a 2x is very, very cool. It is very, very cool. Trust me, a 2x is very, very good as well. So 1 Tether USD is very possible for Cody. The other targets, 5, 6, and 10 Tether USD, we will be seeing that in the future. Right now, trade carefully, as on the 4-hour frame. You already know we had actually a little bit of a risk, but in any means, Cody seems strong. Okay, it seems like it is a strong altcoin because the MACD is falling down while the price remains stable. So if we go back to the weekly frame, yes, we can go to the 1 Tether USD, and please, if you are in a loss, just hold your coins. Before we close the video, join the monthly subscription in the description box, buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto, and see for yourself the benefits we have in there. And of course, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. See you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.